Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video I recorded this nice cute glam girls night out, birthday, freaking I don't know, whatever you want, it's there. Like, I used the chocolate bod palette and the Fenty palette that my sister had purchased for me for New Year's, and I'm so grateful and I love them so much because I mean it looks so freaking good. And she also got me Stunna lip paint in the color Uncensored. She got that for me as well. I'm so grateful. I'm not spoiled. We all got each other stuff, and yeah. But I've run out of my 440 foundation, and trying to buy some has been a hassle because every single time they tell me that they have replenished, by the time I go it's out of stock, and I'm just like, wearing the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I'm just wearing Fenty Beauty everything. Rihanna, you did your girl justice. I'm waiting for my contour powder. I'm waiting for my mascara, my eyeliner, my eyebrows. Girl, give me some eyebrows. I'm waiting for that. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Ain't back to you, 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 ain't back to you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!